Samsung could release another foldable smartphone relatively soon, with later this year being a distinct possibility. If that is the case, then the Note range is the best line to launch it under. There are two distinguishing features in the Samsung Note series that set it apart from the Galaxy line: size and pen functionality. The line was originally conceived as a way of testing out much larger displays, additional functionality, and whether or not a half-tablet half-phone concept would be popular. It's pretty much exactly the same for foldable phones. They extend out to a much larger display, they have additional device-specific functionality, and they're effectively two-in-one devices. Foldable phones are more advanced, technologically impressive. Foldables. Bloomberg reported earlier this month that Samsung is working on two more foldable devices to potentially be launched later this year. The Korean company has been working on this technology for close to a decade, and it wouldn't surprise me if there were other designs aside from the Galaxy Fold ready to launch. Samsung likes to hedge its bets when it comes to features and devices, so it makes sense that it would have a few more slightly different foldable devices up its sleeve. One of the reported upcoming devices will be a clamshell shape, which means it flips open vertically to reveal the display. This, in my opinion, is the best foldable phone design because it reduces a smartphone to half its size when folded. That means a more compact device that folds out a normal, or slightly larger, smartphone rather than folding out into a small tablet. A clamshell-style foldable Note makes a lot of sense, particularly for users who don't want or need a small tablet, but want the larger display and functionality of the Note without the traditional bulkiness of a Note. Whilst the Huawei Mate X might have upstaged the Galaxy Fold, a Note Fold could comfortably be the best flexible device on the market with the right shape and execution. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.